Welcome back, motorcycle enthusiasts, to another exciting review on two-wheel thunder. Today, we have something truly special for you, the 2024 MV Agusta Superveloce 98 Edizione Limitata, a masterpiece of Italian engineering and design. This limited edition beauty is a celebration of MV Agusta's racing heritage, combining classic styling with modern performance. Let's dive into the details. Starting with the design, the Edizione Limitata is a work of art. It pays homage to the iconic MV Agusta race bikes of the past, with its retro-inspired livery, round headlight, and the unmistakable blend of elegant shade of burgundy. The gold accents and wire spoke wheels add a touch of luxury. Under the fairings lies a 798 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder engine that produces a staggering 147 horsepower, making this limited edition Superveloce a true speed demon. The engine note is a symphony of power, a signature of MV Agusta's heritage. Taking it out on the road, you can feel the superb handling and agility. The adjustable suspension and state-of-the-art electronics make it a joy to ride, whether you're taking on tight corners or long stretches of open road. With the riding modes, Sport, Race, Rain, and Custom, allow the rider to interpret the motorcycle based on their own sensitivity, right down to full personalization of the custom map. All at the touch of the color TFT 5.5-inch instrument panel and a smartphone, via the MV app. The Brembo brakes provide outstanding stopping power, and the Marzocchi upside-down telescopic hydraulic fork suspension ensures a smooth and controlled ride. This is a bike built not just for show, but for a thrilling performance on the road or track. MV Agusta is certainly no stranger to limited edition bikes, and as has become standard for its limited editions, MV is including a certificate of authenticity, number plaque, and a special race kit box included with the purchase of this machine. And this is a collector's dream. In conclusion, the 2024 MV Agusta Superveloce 98 Edizione Limitata is more than just a motorcycle, it's a piece of art that pays tribute to MV Agusta's rich racing history. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one of these, you're in for a ride like no other. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more motorcycle content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and ride safe out there.